Your roadside service professional. It's one of the coldest days of the year, and you're out jump-starting vehicle after vehicle with a Rescue Portable Power Pack in your service vehicle. After so many starts, it's starting to lose juice and performance. Try this. The new Rescue in-cab charging cord. In between jump starts, this will keep your jump pack charging and ready for the next job. Watch this. The Rescue in-cab charging cord is labeled and color-coded for input-output and has an LED indicator which shows current is flowing to the unit.
If the power pack's battery is really low and the vehicle is running and at full charge, the power pack can tend to draw an awful lot of power, and it could overheat the vehicle's wiring and blow fuses. You don't want that. You don't want to turn your wiring into a toaster. By using the current limiter, we can safely hook this thing up inside the vehicle all day long. The current limiter protects your truck.
Specially engineered for emergency and road service vehicles, the new Rescue in-cab charging cord works with all Rescue portable power packs. For more information on Rescue products, visit quickcable.com today.